What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, subscribers, welcome. Definitely appreciate the follow along. And if you're not subscribed and you would like to follow along with Alibaba, Facebook, Tesla, many other stocks, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I do technical analysis. I try to do a few every day just to see where we currently stand. So enough of that. Let's get into the technical analysis of BABA currently. So this is the daily chart here, and you've seen we have been in a downtrend ever since the middle of June. If you scope on back here, it's really just in a channel here. The channel's been been choppy ever since last year at this time, where it did make some headway here and get up over 200, but now it's back down, and we're currently wondering, is this the bottom? Is it going to run back up 200, 210 in the near future? That's what we're here for. So let's go ahead and dive in a little bit deeper. Last time we spoke, we had a major pullback here, and I wondered what would happen here, and it actually gapped up, and it's just been kind of sitting along this line of resistance, and this is kind of no man's land. It's just, as far as technical analysis, you don't know if this is a good time to go long or short because it's not really telling you anything. The things I'm watching are these key areas here. You see this high here, this pivot point. I drew a line on these pivot points. Actually, I didn't even draw this one. I basically drew this one down here, and that day actually stopped right there at that 200-day moving average and that pivot point right below it. And the one thing that I'm keeping an eye on with BABA is this level down here at 166 is a very strong level of support, as it has touched it many times in the past year, and every time it gets down here it does turn and head back up, and we have done that. And we had the earnings come out here where we had a strong move up. It hit this line again, and it fell down very hard and has been kind of climbing ever since. Still, this is no man's territory. I mean, if we look at the weekly, you got these long wicks here. That's not a very bullish look. This thing could possibly walk on down back to 170. No one knows that. So we have to keep a close eye on it. If you're looking at volume, you see that the volume is very heavy here. However, this volume is leading up to earnings. Traders got in hopefully for a little swing one way or another, just basically based on earnings. I'm not really paying that too much attention, even though it did touch here. I'm sure a lot of traders got in here. If you got in here, you're still golden. But I have a feeling a lot who got in here got out on that big pop after earnings. So we're just going to have to keep track. I don't like these wicks on the weekly. That just shows you it keeps moving up and getting pushed right back down by sellers. So go back to the daily. Not telling me a whole lot here, except it did fall back down again today after a good day here, red. Then it touched the 9-day moving average and moved back up. Let's look at the hourly to see if we see anything differently. And it opened first hour, had a good little move, and then basically it just sat still the rest of the day. And it's you're getting less volume per 50-day average, 50 moving average. So no man's territory on BABA. This is just one you're going to have to follow and see where it goes until you get confirmation on, especially on the weekly. If you plan on playing this long term, you want to see this thing pop over this and maybe even pull back and touch it again and then bounce off of it. You want to see this level be supported and be confirmed before just kind of pushing your chips in. On more of a shorter term, it's kind of no telling. It could actually kind of be choppy here, maybe even bump up against this wedge and go back down to 170, 171. So no man's territory is what this is called. Not a really good trade. There's better places out there. If you're in, I'm not really sure what to tell you here because, like I said, as far as technical analysis goes, this thing is not telling us a whole lot. I just know I had subscribers asking about this, and I wanted to make sure I just kind of covered it and showed you what I see. So we'll come back to this maybe tomorrow or the next couple of days and see where it's at. But right now, I'm not trading and not plan on trading until I see a confirmation on where we're going. All right, guys, I appreciate the follow, appreciate the viewing. If you're interested in watching this stock as well as many others, go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. I don't mind asking them. Also, I got a platform in Facebook where I got a community page I'm starting to build. It's very new, very small. However, it is building. Check out the link in the description below to join that page to get with some traders to discuss your moves and what you're watching and ask questions. And if you like the video, click like. That is it, guys. I appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful evening, and we'll talk with you later.